Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got S550 Fix here with me in his Jeep, and then I'm gonna put his YouTube right up here above it. Go check him out. But the reason he is here is Justin and I are gonna go pull the motor out of the Cateye tonight. We have gotten to the point where it's completely unhooked and it's ready to come out. So we're gonna head down to the shop. And he's had this Jeep. How long have you had the Jeep? You had the Jeep
since Labor Day.
Holy crap, and I still haven't even rode in it. So we're gonna leave the Duramax at home and take the Jeep down to the shop because I haven't rode in this one yet, and it's been a while since I've rode in a Jeep, period. So let's see what this thing's got, Justin. All the 100 horse torques it has, probably.
Yep, maybe 97 crank horsepower. Get it.
Oh, we got 40. We got 40. 50. Oh, hey, we're speeding up. Should I be worried about the vibration?
Little drive shaft play there.
Oh, Lord. We got 60 out of it. So, it's the bare bones necessities of a vehicle. So, I got some respect for it. All right, I'll pick up the camera once we get to the shop. Alrighty, guys, so we made it to the shop, and we actually got down here before it got dark. And I don't know if you guys remember that old door that was right here on the left side, but they replaced it, and I've got a nice new door, and it's the same size as the other one is. So if we can't get it through that door, we shouldn't be working on it. So super excited that we got the new door in here. But the thing is they haven't got my handle put on the outside, so now I gotta go through the side door. All right, guys, so if you notice, hopefully the quality of this video is a lot better because we got the LED lights up in here. But we have pretty much got the engine unhooked. You know, in the last video, everything was unbolted. I don't have one of those nice little eyeball valley cover pullers, or the heads aren't in, so I can't hook to the little bracket in the back. So we actually pushed piston 1 and 2 out and are pulling it out this way. But while we were pulling it out and making sure that everything was unhooked, y'all look at that right there. There's like a perfect round hole in the block. I thought everything shot out of the oil pan, but no, it most certainly come out of the block. She is 100% toast. And the way it's set down in there, we couldn't see it. We thought it had just come out of the oil pan, but it definitely come out of the block. So we took this ground strap off, and then that's how we saw it. But we're getting ready to pull this thing up out of here, and once I get it out of here, maybe we'll like pull the oil pan off and see what all's in the oil pan. But I'm gonna put down the camera because this is gonna be a little sketchy for a second while we caress this thing up out of here, and then once it's out, I'll pull that oil pan off and show you guys what all's down inside of that. Alrighty, guys, so you see in there, we haven't seen that view for about a year. That's about as long as we made it since the last time the motor was out. Austin got his souvenir off of the block, and here it is, and we've got it on its ass so you can see the giant hole that is in the oil pan. And I mean, it looks way worse out of the truck than it looked in the truck. So you've got the whole freaking oil pan destroyed. This whole side of the block right there behind the AC compressor bracket is shot all to pieces. You got the nice, perfect little round hole through there, which you can see light through there. You can see the light right through it. God, look at that. Tore all to pieces. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to pull the oil pan off, and we're gonna see what's actually down inside of the oil pan. You're gonna pull the. Actually, we got to see what's behind the AC compressor bracket.
It broke the AC compressor bracket.
Oh, we got to get a new one of those.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's a race truck.
I'll tell you, I'm thinking about. I know we have these nice power tools here, and Austin's dead set and determined.
Oh, shit!
Holy crap!
We were wondering if it did put a hole in the block. And
oh no, we didn't just put a hole in the block.
Golly.
The block is gone.
Look at how scored the where the camera goes, or the
goes. Look at that. Whew.
That's crazy.
Did you guys look at that?
I'm gonna pull the oil pan off, and we're gonna see what's down in the oil pan, because obviously the block is way worse than we had ever imagined it was. It's like a 8 or a 10. I think it's We'll get that thing pulled off. I'll pick up the camera in just a minute. All right, guys, so we figured out what the whole problem is. Oil pan alignment and torque critical. Says it right there. And obviously this thing is not aligned, nor is it torqued right. We should have known.
Yeah.
But it's not even the oil pan. What, the splash pan? Is that what they call it?
Yeah. So let's see if we can get this thing.
No, we'll just yeet it up off of there. Yeah. Hey, cut your hand. Just cut your hand right off. There's definitely no workers' comp here.
Oh, that's kind of boring.
Oh, no. Look at all the metal down in that thing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All that sludge.
Yeah, nice metallic sludge. Bring us up some goodies. Oh, yeah. Look at it's not even one piece.
Yeah, it's not connected anymore. I'm not trying to cut my hands.
But look at the splash pad. That thing is, of course. I mean, what did you expect if you're gonna shoot the rod out? It's got to come through that first. Oh yeah.
Throw back to a lot of videos before when we did this pickup tube and.
Yep. All right. So what Austin was saying was the pickup tube. We actually had that out. It was like months ago.
Yeah. I was
checking on the O-ring that we replaced in there. But yeah, that thing's shot now.
Yep.
So you guys want to take the timing cover off? Or the front cover and then check the... I'm looking at the timing chain. The timing chain isn't broke.
No. Nothing in this front is hurt.
Yeah.
It looks like it all came out.
Hey, wait a minute. We could pull the cam out and see if the cam's okay. That's what I'm saying. I mean, not that I'm going to reuse it. Let's do that. Yeah, let's flip it back up.
Hold on. Let's see what's underneath here real quick.
I mean, it's not going to be anything.
It's just all front too. Yeah. Unbolt the flex plate, and then we'll pull the front cover off. We've got too many people in here working on one little motor. All right, I'll pick up the camera in just a second once I get that flex plate off, and we'll pull that front cover off and see what the damage is. All right, guys, so bad news. The cam will not come out. And we've pulled the lifters and everything. Something else is holding it, so we've been given no choice but to use the engine hoist and attempt to force it out just so we can look at it. It's no good at this point. If it won't come out now,
it ain't gonna come out.
No, it's toast. So we can't lose anything by.
It ain't toast with butter either. It ain't no good.
So once we get this thing hooked up, we're gonna try to yank it up out of here. Well, we tried pulling it out the what we'll call the normal way.
I mean,
and it wasn't having it. So we've resorted to bringing it out the backside, and
it's coming.
It's gonna come right out the backside.
Endorsement.
No, bring it.
Truck.
Yeah. Woo!
Hey, it's gonna be on eBay. Look under.
Yeah, we'll put this thing up on eBay for real. Texas Speed Stage 3. All right, guys. So there is our Texas Speed Stage 3 cam. It doesn't look bad, but I mean, I did have to knock on it with a hammer and it was locked up in there. So it's probably not really good. So I don't think it'd be in the best interest to try to give it to somebody else or sell it or whatever else. So I might just end up using it as a nice hood prop for show season. But that's about the extent of the blown 5.3 as far as we're going to go. That's about it for today's video. Hopefully you guys got a little bit of entertainment out of all of us laughing and knocking an engine to pieces. But I want to give a big thank you to everybody that helped me get the block out. Even though it was really just Justin and I that really removed. Well, we had Austin too.
Listen, I got the cam
that
out.
Well, yeah, Michael got the cam out. So, congratulations. But that's going to wrap up today's video. If you got any questions or comments, you can drop them down in the comment section below. You can also follow me over on Instagram at Austin04_Z71. Do not forget to go check out Justin at S550 Fix on YouTube. It's going to be the link down in the description below. It's going to be the first link, so you don't have to go scrolling through all the stupid truck mods and all that stuff I've got put down there. I appreciate you guys watching. Take care. Have a great day.